Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can install Chrome operating system Flex in your Windows PC without any data loss. It is designed specially for the old PCs and the minimum requirement would be 4 GB of RAM, 8 GB of USB, a working internet connection and a minimum of 16 GB of hard disk space. Once you meet these requirements, all you need to do is to first of all install Google Chrome in your system. If you do not have, install one using the Chrome download link. Once install Google Chrome, open it and here choose the option add to Chrome to open this particular website. This is the extension, so click on the add extension option. Now once it is installed, click on this extension. Click on it. Now here you will find the option of create a recovery media for your Chromebook. So at this point of time, install USB drive with a minimum of 8 GB. Then click on the get started option. From here, click on select a model. Now choose the option select a manufacturer. Here choose or find Google operating system Flex. Now from the select a product option, choose the first option which is operating system Flex. Now click on the continue button. Now from here click on the select option to choose your pen drive which is of 15.1 GB at my end. Now click on the continue button. Now click on the create now option. This will create a recovery media for your Chrome operating system. Make sure you must be connected to the internet while performing this action. Now once you can see that your recovery media is ready. Now click on the done option. Now close this Google Chrome. Go ahead and restart your system and give boot to a USB drive by entering into your BIOS menu. From here, I'll choose the F12 key to enter into my BIOS menu. And here I'll choose my pen drive which is HP as an bootable device. Now you can see the Chrome operating system has started. Now choose your language, hit the OK button and click on the option get started. Now here make sure you choose the second option which is try it first. If you choose the very first option, your Windows will be completely formatted and you will lose all your data. So make sure you choose the second option which is try it first and click on the next button to continue. Now from here connect to your internet network. Now once it is connected, it will again automatically start it. Accept the terms and conditions. From here choose the very first option which is you are setting this Chrome for yourself. Now sign in into your Google account. You can choose any Google account of yours. From here, again click on the accept and continue option. Then click on accept and continue again. Now choose I agree. Again, I agree to start Hey Google and Google Assistant in your system. You can skip this step at this point of time. Now click on the option Get Started. You can see here is the Chrome operating system right in front of you. Here is the very elegant and beautiful taskbar. Here is the start menu. You can search anything over here. From this taskbar, this one is the file option. This one is my download, and here is my pen drive which is attached over here, which is of 16 GB. Inbuilt YouTube and Google Meet is also present over here. Your Gmail is also provided over here into this operating system by default. Now you can even change this shelf position using this option. From here, there is the left button. You can choose in the right also. Here it is now. This one is small. Your internet settings, from where you can connect to the internet, your Bluetooth, and all your notifications will be available right over here. These are the few icons. This one is to lock your system. This one is to turn off your Windows PC. And here is the setting menu of your Chrome operating system. These are the various available options for you in your Windows PC. Now, if you like this operating system, go ahead and install this operating system by giving boot using your USB pen drive, and then choose the option first, which is install Chrome operating system instead of try it first option. But make sure you make a backup of your data, because it will completely wipe out your hard disk. So this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, if you like this video, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving more such updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.